This is the procedure for changing the balance bar on the M-Blades helicopter. You will need a small tipped screwdriver to access the screw in between the balance bar and the top clap. So this screw here. You're going to unscrew that. And lift the top clap section off. Once the top clap and balance bar section has been removed, we take the new one and we're going to line the screw up, this screw, with the groove that's on the inner shaft on the main axle. So here's your groove, and this is the screw that must lock into that same position. So he's going to slide the top clap straight down on top, making sure that the groove is in place, and just screw tight. And that's the procedure for changing the balance bar.